fuckity, fuck. This is it for me. I'm feeling warm. This is like the third time this week. Please don't overreact. You're being overly dramatic. Overly dramatic? Have you not been listening to anything I've been telling you? Actually, no. I've stopped listening to your bullshit since yesterday. Remember you thought you had pneumonia just because our piss was overtly yellow? Yellow urine is a sign of pneumonia. No, you dumb fuck. It's a sign you haven't drank water in a while. Your optimism, it scares me. You're a denier. If I remember correctly, it was this optimism that got us late. You think you had a shot with her? She was so out of your league. You assume you have to bring this up right now? If the idea of being stuck in a house for months hadn't scared her, you would have completed a wonderful 12 months of no sex. You're the worst person in the history. I can't watch this. I have to go back. I need to find out what went wrong. With all the precautions and all the social distancing, what was that moment when it happened? You remember when she put your thermometer in her mouth? That look of disgust on her face? She was hoping to die any moment. um, are you there? Have you left already? Fuck, not again. Not this. Fuck. Look at us. Healthy as a baby just 2 hours ago. Babies are not very healthy. Antibodies, they pass through breast. 0.22% population of Mumbai are infected. 99.78% are not. The 35-year-old man from Santa Cruz died. A 93-year-old from Mazgaon survived. You and me, we cannot have a proper conversation. Really? Because we talk an awful lot. Fuck you. Alright, okay. Let's be done with this. We came back from the store. The watchman opened the gate for us. We walked inside the lift. And we walked inside the house. Wait. That's not how it happened. Back up. First of all, the watchman did not open the door for us. We did with our own hands. No, I remember it correctly. No, you're wrong. No, I'm not. I remember it correctly. You want to bet? Okay, maybe. And the watchman did not smile at us. In fact, he was looking dull, like he was sick. What if he's infected? No, you are exaggerating. The watchman was perfectly fine. No, he was looking sick. I saw it with my own eyes. They're my eyes too. Not possible. Let's move on. Alright. Okay, this I remember. We were waiting for the lift. The lift came. We got in. We got out. Plain simple. Don't you dare contradict. I do not believe you. Of course you can't. How can you? Are we the thoughts of the same brain or are we not? Your side of the brain, is it, I don't know, paralyzed? What do you mean? We were waiting for the lift. We were waiting for the lift. The door opened. The door opened. Out walked Samantha. Out walked. Wait, what? When did that happen? It really happened. You just can't remember it. And then he pressed the 11th floor button like he always does, and then what? Fuck. What is wrong? What is happening? I remember something from yesterday. I was out jogging and Samantha was also there. And she was also out running. She came very close to me and then what? And then she sneezed right into my fucking face. What if she's sick? What if she sneezed inside the lift? Before she walked out and splatters all her phlegm all over the buttons. And then he walks in, touches the button, inhales all her phlegm, and then touches himself. And we are now infected. Can you see that? Can you understand that? You are fucking paranoid. You don't understand. You're not thinking clearly. The virus is everywhere, all around us. People are going out to buy milk. 10 days later, they're dead. Who knows who has it, who's walking out of the street as a carrier? Who knows who or what will infect me? I don't want to die. You are overreacting a little. Overreacting? 70% of all the migrants coming to UP are positive. Death toll all over the world is rising. A fucking tiger got it. What does that tell you? And do you think our immune system will hold? After years and years of cigarette and alcohol has fucked our body up? I'm not going to quit smoking now. You won't have to. Corona nahi to cancer hi sahi. We're going to die. You need to calm the fuck down. And there won't be any vaccine for years and years. The economy's fucked up anyway. Soon the relief packages will dry up. How many months can we survive without work? 1 month? Maybe 2? Imagine the lower classes. They'll come out on the streets. They'll fuck us up. Fuck. Not this. There'll be riots in the streets. Everything will burn. Chaos. Anarchy. Oh God, they'll kill me. I'm not that tough. I don't want to die. Hey, shut up. Shut the fuck up. Calm the fuck down. Is this funny to you now? No, it's not. None of it is. But I'm not as crazy to think like you. Things are bad. No doubt they're going to get worse before they get any better. But we can't just give up hope and assume the world has gone to shit. No way. You are overloaded. overloaded with news and misinformation. Mix that with isolation and anxiety, and we get you. A misinformed, scared, pessimistic, self hating voice which is whispering prophecies of doom in everybody's ear. You have to stop. Let's go. Let's go where? It's time. The 3 minutes are over. Remember the thermometer? Oh, all right. Here we go. Moment of truth. Wish us luck. Right. Best of luck for nothing.